If you've been dreaming about van life, this could be the moment you've been waiting for, because as of right now, this van is for sale. For serious inquiries regarding price and other specifics, please use the contact email in the description box below. Jay here from Ridgeline Van Company to take you through our newest build called the Roamer, built on a 2021 Mercedes 144 3500 XD. Exterior accessories include an extensive Baja Designs lighting system featuring two LP9s, two LP4s, and a 40-inch ONX6 light bar mounted on our low-pro roof rack. We also have a Fiamma awning and 360 watts of solar panels. The interior features sustainably sourced, select A-grade walnut cabinetry and trim, beautifully grain matched without a screw in sight. This creates a subtle elegance synonymous with the Ridgeline brand. Immediately entering the van, you'll notice our cleverly designed bulkhead unit, featuring a fold-away 24-inch Vizio TV. This is also where we keep all of our system controls, including a touchscreen Victron monitor and top-of-the-line Fusion deck paired with 4 Signature Series speakers and a 10-inch subwoofer. Our kitchen is designed to be super functional, featuring a 2-burner induction cooktop, a large stainless steel sink, and an isotherm Cruise 85 fridge-freezer combo, which has ample space for storing all of your perishable goodies. We have 2 kitchen uppers for storing dry goods, as well as secured tableware storage for 4. Below, there are 3 sizable kitchen drawers. And don't forget about the wine. We can securely stow 2 bottles in our wine cubby. Inside the top drawer, you'll find the switch for our beautiful illuminated solid surface backsplash and countertop. With our spacious L couch and dual front swivel seats, the living room feels spacious and is comfortable for up to 4 people. Stowed under the couch, we have a Thetford porta potty that can easily be removed by 2 simple thumb screws. Moving toward the mid-cabin, you'll find closet space for hanging clothes, as well as 2 large upper storage cabinets with ample space for your clothing. With the help of our side flares, we have a queen-size memory foam mattress that can comfortably accommodate people well over 6 feet tall. In order to keep the cabin comfortable in a variety of temperatures, we put in an S-Par diesel heater with a split ducting system in case you need to dry any of your gear in the garage. We have 2 Max Air ceiling fans and a fully customizable LED lighting setup, which allows you to program 4 zones with full RGBW control. Now let's take a look in the garage. Featuring a large pull-out tray with a 500-pound weight capacity, this space provides flexible storage for whatever your needs may be. In this cabinet, we have our hot water shower, which features an adjustable shower head and towel storage. Our water is heated by a super efficient isotemp water heater that can be heated either electronically or by using the heat produced by your engine. On the other side, we have our custom Blue Sea breaker system, where we control all of the vehicle's electronic systems and power sources. In the cabinets towards the back of the garage, we house our Victron 3000 VA inverter and 2 Relion RB300 batteries, providing us a total of 600 amp hours. If you've been dreaming about van life, this could be the moment you've been waiting for, because as of right now, this van is for sale. For serious inquiries regarding price and other specifics, please use the contact email in the description box below.